Hello, and welcome to A Chick with a Plan, where we talk about planning, productivity, and entrepreneurship. My name is Mary, and if you are new to the channel, welcome. The plan for this episode is to provide you 5 simple steps to help you create an effective planning routine so you can achieve your 2025 goals. So let's dive right into it. Step number 1, declutter your space. You want to make sure your space is clean, clutter-free, and aesthetically pleasing so you can focus clearly on your planning routine and how you're going to reach those goals. Step number 2, determine where you're going to store your appointments, your tasks, and your notes. To do this, you have to decide if you like storing your information digitally or on paper. For me, I store all of my information digitally on Microsoft 365. All of my calendar appointments I put in Outlook. For all of my tasks, I put in the to-do list, and I use OneNote to record all of my notes. Step number 3. Once you have determined where you're going to store your information, now it's time to schedule when you are going to plan for your upcoming week. Now, this step is very critical so you can stay consistent. Step number 4, it's time to plan. Okay, again, you must determine if you are a digital planner or you like to plan on paper. I prefer to plan digitally. I use my planner, the Organized Quarter, which I created to weekly and daily plan. Now, if you don't have a planner, feel free to check my planner out. All you have to do is go to everythingplanning.com and download it. It's completely free. All you need to be is a member. Okay, so once you have your planner, you're going to sit down and do your weekly plan. That is when you filter all of your appointments and tasks into your weekly sheet for your upcoming week. Additionally, you want to plan out your daily pages. Once you have this completed, you are all set for the week. Now, this is very critical. Each day during the week, in the morning, you want to make sure you open your planner and check your daily plan so you can make any adjustments or revision for that particular day. Or you may need to move tasks to another day. Step number 5, review your plan at the end of each day. This will help you determine what was completed and what you will need to move to another day. And this also helps you just to be prepared for the next day. Okay, so these are my 5 simple steps to creating effective planning routine to make sure you can reach your goals. Now, let me know what your planning routine looks like. Okay, that is it for this episode. Again, thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Let's get to planning.